What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing a pre-made fake scalp 360 wig from Superb Wigs. So the wig that I will be installing today is 14 inches and is a body wave wig. As I said, this is a 360 wig, so this is what the unit looks like. It was already pre-plucked a little, but I went in and plucked it some more. And here is the fake scalp already attached, so you don't have to put on a wig cap with this wig, which is dope. It also does have combs in it, as well as an area for you to install an elastic band. So I've already prepped my hair in braids, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wig on to see, you know, what it's gonna look like, how I need to situate everything. And to install, of course, I'm gonna be using my Got To Be products, the Got To Be Freeze Blast Spray, as well as the Got To Be Glued styling gel. Spike gel, whatever it's called. I also like to use a rat tail comb to help with applying the glue as well as pressing the lace into my scalp. Also have some clips. Real quick before I install, I want to go ahead and smooth my edges back really good with some gel. So I'm using my Extreme Wet Line. Couldn't get my words out. And I smooth my hair back real good, and then also wipe away at my hairline of any makeup so that, you know, it tacks really good. So I have the wig back on, and I'm gonna go ahead and start making some cuts into it so that I can work in sections with applying my glue. This method actually works really well because it helps you make sure you're getting every little piece good, and you can really take your time and make it look real nice. So I'm just gonna do this same process for the whole front of the wig install. And I also like to use some of the Freeze Blast Spray over the glue once I put it up there, because I don't know, I just think it helps to make it stick more. So I do that, and then just, you know, smooth it in real good and press the wig into my scalp after I blow dry it and let it get tacky. Once I finished installing the front part of the wig, I wanted to go ahead and put my hair up out my way because I wanted to work on the back, trying to do this 360 part. Sheesh, y'all gonna see right here already, you know, had a little mess up because I didn't have the wig all the way centered basically, so it ain't really line up. So I have to go back, like, take the wig off and redo this part. But anyways, right here, I'm just cutting off the lace. And this is after I went back and reinstalled it. So now everything is lining up. So following up with the back, y'all, this part was really hard. Like, I really tried my best to try to do the 360 back, and yeah, this really ain't work for your girl. This is definitely a learning process. I would definitely recommend someone else helping you do the back if you're new to installing a 360 unit, because it's definitely a learning process. So I actually had went ahead and tied everything down to see if that would help make the back of the wig stay in place and, you know, work, but it really ain't do nothing for me. So girl tried her best. I'm gonna definitely have to work at doing this process even more, because even right here, it was even hard trying to cut the lace off. Like, this is definitely hard for someone to do on their own head. Like, one area was sticking, but the other side wasn't. But anywho, we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna still make this wig look hella cute. So I decided I wanted to do a half up, half down style. So I'm just going in and prepping the hair for that. Of course, I gotta do my baby hairs. I just feel like doing your edges, your baby hairs always makes units look even more natural. So I'm just gonna go around and do the whole front of the wig. Now, getting the top of this wig to get flat was also a process. I like to use some of the freeze blast spray as well as some mousse. It helped to make it more workable and help smooth it down. And also putting the ponytail was kind of a task because it wanted to create some lumps with it. So I really just had to take my time and work with it to make it look as smooth as possible. So now I was just trying it as a bun on top of my head. And it was looking, you know, just a little too not it for me. So I kind of teased it a little and then wrapped the bun around, and it made it look even more fuller and better. Of course, I'm not just gonna leave it like this, so we're gonna put some curls in it. So I grabbed my flat iron and put some flat iron curls in it, and the curls came out super cute. It looks really nice with this length of hair. So wearing it this way was super cute, but I also wanted to try another look by taking the bun down. So I'm gonna end up taking the bun down and putting curls in the top. And I think this came out mad cute. I've always seen girls do this half up, half down style with curls, and it looks super cute. So I just followed up with some hairspray to make the curls last, and the hairstyle was complete. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. Subscribe if you aren't subscribed. Turn on your post notifications. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you check out the description box below for links to this wig and more information on Superb Wigs. With all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.